Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
On the evening of August 23, 1999, a 20-year-old man was thrown from the train's final turn at a speed of 40 miles per hour, 64 kilometers per hour, sustaining a fatal head injury upon contact with a steel walkway. Shockwave and two similar rides at other Paramount amusement parks were immediately closed.
Let's help you make your mark.
King's Dominion is much better for thrill rides. A little more dirty and less polished, but for roller coasters and the like, Busch Gardens can't touch it. Busch still a great time for the whole family. Tough call, as the two older kids would probably enjoy KD better and the two younger BG.
Let's help you make your mark.
In a presentation that rivaled the theme park's annual 4th of July fireworks celebration, Richmond city officials accidentally destroyed King's Dominion instead of the former Dominion Energy headquarters located downtown, sources confirmed Saturday.
Let's help you make your mark.
Volcano. The Blast Coaster. On February 8, 2019, King's Dominion shocked the amusement industry by announcing the removal of Volcano, the Blast Coaster. Reactions to the announcement were negative, because it was not only a fan favorite, but also a unique one-of-a-kind roller coaster.
Let's help you make your mark.
Roller coasters have been reported to cause a type of brain injury, called subdural hematoma. The motions of the ride can cause blood vessels to rupture in the brain, which produces headaches that cannot be relieved and must be surgically treated.
Let's help you make your mark.
For everyone's safety, guests are not permitted to bring coolers, outside food, or other drinks into King's Dominion. King's Dominion offers fantastic dining plan options for your visit to the park. Single meal deal. Enjoy an entree, side, and a fountain drink.
Let's help you make your mark.
Police say 17-year-old Asia Leishan Ferguson died when he was hit by the Batman roller coaster at Six Flags Over Georgia on Saturday. The park closed the ride over the weekend out of respect for the family.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.